What's the meaning of blessed? Blessed. Blessed.
Blessed. Blessed. The term blessed can have different meanings depending on the context. In a religious context, it often refers to being favored by God and receiving His divine protection and grace. In a more general sense, it can also refer to feeling fortunate or privileged in life, whether that be in terms of having good health, financial stability, or strong relationships. Additionally, blessed can refer to something that has been sanctified or consecrated, such as a religious artifact or sacred ground. Overall, blessed carries connotations of gratitude, reverence, and appreciation for the gifts and blessings that one has received in life.